So we're back out here in the yard. G-Funk 1127 and his wife Heather. Say hi, Heather.
Hi, Heather.
And we're out here, out here picking out some veggies. And I walked inside, and this is what she pulled out. Get you a better shot of this. Get my finger out of the way. Check out the unique features of this grub-like carrot. So that's going to get washed off and come inside. What else did you find down here?
Nothing. These aren't rounding. They're just growing long. This one's round.
Well,
it's too light.
You yanking them all out?
No, just these.
Okay.
Because they were sticking up, but
Gotcha.
they just weren't
Oh,
changing. What's that?
probably some sort of caterpillar. We don't want it in there. So the real reason for us coming out here is the potato plants have all withered and died off. So what we're going to do is we're going to dump out the dirt and see what kind of potatoes. Now, I can get the lovely lady to hold that. These, if you remember, we made these from Dollar Tree buckets and cut the windows out, and you can see a little tiny baby potato there. Ugh. These things are built like that so you can get them out, and that's really teeny tiny. But there's another teeny tiny one.
Don't bury them. Ooh, there's a big one in the middle.
The big nasty thing you glob right there you just saw
Ew.
is the old potato.
Shall we get close to it? Yeah.
So we have
There's a big one.
more potatoes. Potato. No, I'm very excited because these things all died, and I thought, oh no, we're not going to have any potatoes. But we have potatoes to speak of.
And to eat.
And to eat, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely not your favorite thing to do with these.
Hmm.
What you want to do, at least what I'm going to do, is I'm going to take all of this dead potato stuff, put it over there, give this stuff a good sifting through, just to make sure we didn't miss anything, and replant. That's also very important to drill holes in the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
That way you don't have rotted roots or anything like that. Good drainage is very good. Alright, bucket number 2. Don't see any on the outsides here. Woo! We got some underneath. Another one. Let's see here. Here's a big one. Take it apart. Ah, another big one. Well, this is like Christmas. Potato-mas. Just shaking everything loose. You want to get out and harvest all the potato you can because you spent the time doing it, right?
It's okay, dog.
Alright. Luna, stop whining. Well, that's what we got. That is not too bad. We'll go inside and weigh these things. We don't have a scale. Or I would. But out of 2 buckets like that over there, this is not that bad of a harvest. And all I did was plant them, you bury them, and then you just let them grow up, let them die off, and there you have potatoes. And the one thing I will do next time is plant them, bury them, let the roots bust through the soil, then put some more soil on top of them, and then do that twice until I get to the appropriate level in that bucket, and then I'll be able to try it that way. But for now, this is pretty exciting and pretty happy. Wouldn't you agree?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so that's the update here. We'll do another update sometime later. We pulled several squash off of our squash plants there, and we'll have some coming off of the rain gutter growth system over there, and that's going to be pretty exciting. So until then, keep your fingers dirty.